Hey guys, it's me, your old buddy Nappa. And today, we're continuing our 25 days of Christmas. So I was browsing the internet using Jay's YouTube account. Don't tell him I do that because then he's gonna ground. Don't tell him I do that because then he's gonna ground me and take away my computer privileges. And then I'm gonna be bored. I'll have to go back to heaven. I'll have to go back to the afterlife. I'm gonna start working for those two ogres, or Gaz and Mez again. Anyway, I just found this video. Oh, you will laugh your lungs out. World's funniest Christmas videos. Ha! I'll be the judge of that. I will be the judge of that. Let's see what you can do. Alright, Tiger Funnies. Show me what you can do. I want to see what you've got. Let's see if I can get without warning. Extremely laughable videos.
Ooh, in trouble.
Aww.
Hey, where'd you get that Christmas ornament, Stacy?
Aww, that's so cute. Jay actually told me when his cats was little, he actually did this. He did this. They got inside the Christmas tree and everything. And it was adorable.
Can I squirt him now?
Okay. Let him have it.
Get out of the tree. Oh!
Oh, Tim. Wait, did they just break the glass? What the heck? Aw, look at the bird. Silly bird. The parrot. Wait, oh my. Oh, I don't think he likes to come. I don't think he liked the competition. That wasn't a laugh.
That's a pretty nice gift there.
Oh, snap! Intercepted! What the? It just stole the tree.
Very good.
Da 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 da.
Is your name Santa?
Aww.
Oh, it is. And do
So
you like
cute.
Yes, you do. And do you like presents? Oh, Santa. Oh, yes? Yes, you do?
What a
Do you like
kitty.
insects? No.
Aw. Hello, Rover. Heyo. He's so cute. Oh, he's a fighter. He's holding on. He's holding on, folks. Ride him, cowboy. Oh my.
Come here.
What? Oh, there's nothing cuter than cats and trees. That is adorable. I must admit.
Mika, you looking for Nemo? Where's Nemo?
Oh. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Aw, there he is. There's the little angel. That's so cute. Why is it that cats like to get in Christmas trees? I don't know, but it's so fascinating. Look at him. Having the time of his life. Aww. Oh, who's a good dog? Oh, that dog. Is that a goat? Goats! Valentino!
Daddy's got it on his face. Gotta get that one.
Milo, you like your...
Oh my! That's even funnier than cat in bread.
Oh, that's so funny.
Well, for you, maybe, not for him. Oh my! He does not like that. That dog does not like that.
Hey!
No! Bad dog. Bad.
Poppers! Kitty, kitty, kitty!
What?
High five.
Okay, you got me. These are pretty funny. They got me. These are pretty funny. Oh. Hey, quit barking at them. Leave the couple alone. Okay, what's this supposed to be? Oh, it's raccoon slippers? Raccoon slippers. Oh my! You think they're real? They think they're real. Oh no! Oh no! Oh my heavens! Oh my Kami! Oh Dende! Sweet Dende, the horror! The horror! Give him the slippers!
Santa.
Oh my god, that is so freaking cute. Look at the way that. Oh! Epic fail! What's he doing with it? Is he trying to steal the present? Max! No! Bad Max! Stop stealing the present! Oh! Epic fail! Wait, he's going for it. He's going for it. Is he gonna make it? Oh, come on. You can do it, boy. You can do it, boy. You can do it, Max. You can do it. Just write it.
Yeah.
No, you couldn't do it.
Perfect spot for it. Good job, buddy.
Oh.
Oh, it's an iPhone. iPhone 6 for me.
What?
Oh my.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Are you? Did you break it already?
Go again.
I bring this.
Oh my heavens! That poor kid. Aw. Talk about a stocking stuffer.
This place.
The dog doesn't want you to get to the presents. It's a present guard dog. Good dog. Good dog. Who's a good dog?
I guess she doesn't want you to pass out the presents.
Now you're doing. Aw. It's stealing the Christmas card.
Okay, go, run. Now push the gas. Get off of it. There.
Oh my! Oh man!
Telling you why. Santa Claus is
What am I watching? This is horrible. Oh! What the hell? What am I watching right now?
Yep.
Are you sure you can hang it?
Yep.
All right.
Sure.
You
Be
can do it, kid.
careful.
Come on, little kid. Oh, you could do it. He's coming. Oh no! Oh. It's like he may have failed. Don't worry, you got this. Wait, what are you trying to do with that? Oh shit! That was stupid. The tree's alive. That ain't happening. Oh, the tree ate him! Ate
Turn it
her.
over and rip it open.
It's your heart.
Oh, it's hard.
Never in my life.
Santa. Let me count how many's on that plate. 1. Wait a minute.
Give me the cookie.
Where are those cookies at? I found one. What's that in your hand?
Oh, you see that? That's the cookie.
What is that? Is that Santa's other cookie? You stole Santa's cookie?
That's very naughty.
Whoa.
No way!
So I can see.
What is it? No!
And now it's cracked.
This is over.
Oh shit!
Bailen bien, no se hagan.
No, Timber!
Yes.
Rudolph the red. No, no, you killed Rudolph!
This is gonna put our first Christmas tree.
Oh dear.
What? What? Really?
Could you turn around, please? I want to see what Kellen's reaction is.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Wait, is there a horse? Oh my god, look at that grin!
Bailen bien, no se hagan.
Hey, you saw that already! Please, not me, God.
Riley, you want to give him a kiss?
Hey, Dated, it's your old pal Santa Claus.
Okay, I admit, those are pretty funny. Those were pretty funny. Good episodes. Good episode. Wait, what? You know what? Nope. I'm gonna say that for tomorrow. Let's have Jay have that tomorrow. Okay, guys? See you tomorrow. Oh, more Christmas specials. Until then, Nappa out. Peace!